Hello everyone, welcome to Learning for All. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and see the video till end. Let's talk about breathing today. Every time we breathe, we take in air containing a gas called oxygen. We need oxygen all the time to make our bodies work. The air we breathe in passes into two lungs, which are well protected inside the rib cage. The lungs take oxygen from the air and pass it into our bloodstream. Our blood takes oxygen all around the body. Runners need to get a lot of oxygen to their muscles very quickly. To achieve this, they breathe hard and their heart beats quicker. As we breathe in, our rib cage expands and a large dome of muscle called the diaphragm flattens. When you breathe out, the diaphragm rises. The air we breathe in through the nose and mouth goes down the windpipe. This branches into two bronchial tubes, one of each lung. Inside the lungs, the tube divides and gets smaller. Oxygen passes from the tiniest tubes to blood vessels and finally into the bloodstream. When we breathe out, the lungs get rid of used air. Adults breathe between 12 and 20 times a minute. Children usually breathe faster. This photo of part of a lung was taken under a microscope, which magnifies it many times. The network of small passages inside the lung make it look and act rather like a sponge. An adult's lungs contain about 300 billion tiny blood vessels called capillaries. If laid end to end, they would stretch over 1,200 miles or 2,000 kilometers. Wow, that's amazing. It can also be said in the way of a fact. People who suffer from asthma or other breathing difficulties often use an inhaler to help them breathe. The inhaler puffs a drug down into the windpipe. This makes the air passage wider so they can breathe more easily. Now let's talk about some facts. The lungs are the only organs in the human body to float on water. In 1243, the Arab physician Ibn al-Nafis became the first person ever to describe the breathing process. The lungs are the biggest waste removal engine in the body, accounting for the removal of 70% of the body waste in the form of carbon dioxide in the air we exhale. Your emotions change the way you breathe in. Mouth breathing can actually change your face. Researchers found differences in the facial developments of children that breathe through their mouths compared to children that breathe from nose. Okay friends, hope you all understand that what is breathing. And this was all about today's lesson, breathing. And if you really like my video, then like it, share it, comment in the comment section that आपको किस चीज़ के बारे में information चाहिए. And don't forget to subscribe and share my video. Thank you.